yeah, seafood, my favorite. Today we're going to eat stir-fry noodle with seafood. Let's do it. First, you need yellow noodle. Then some shrimps. Also some squids. Some vegetable including shiitakes, mushroom, bell pepper, asparagus, onion, and some cilantro. You also need the minced garlic and onion. Salt, pepper, MSG, of course. Some chicken powder. Fish sauce, the MVP. And the soy sauce. And also the oyster sauce. First, you have to undress the shrimps. Then cut the squids in bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Then marinate the shrimps and squids with a little chopped onion and minced garlic. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, mix it well and marinate it for 15 minutes. After that, slice the shiitake mushrooms into thin pieces. Cut the bell pepper. Then cut the asparagus. Then cut the onion. Voila! Soak the noodles in boiling water for 2 minutes. Then drain all the water out. Heat up the pan again. Then add the oil and the chopped onion and garlic. Then add the squid and shrimp mixture. I can smell it already. Stir fry until the shrimp and squids are cooked. Then add the vegetables. Cook it for a few more minutes. Then take it out. In a hot pan, add oil. Then again, minced garlic and onion. Add the noodles. Then reduce the heat to the minimum. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it well. Then add the squid shrimps and vegetable mixture. Stir fry it for 2 more minutes. And there you go! What a beautiful dish! Yum yum! Bon appetit!